Guys, what's up? Today's gonna be a pretty interesting video. We are gonna be unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini, and not just any plain ordinary Mavic Mini or the 5 more combo. We're gonna be unboxing the Costco bundle, which in my opinion is the best bundle you can buy, guys. Just priced at $389. It's $10 cheaper than the base drone, just like the normal drone with no accessories. And with the Costco bundle at $10 less, you get an extra battery and the charging dome. So if you have a Costco bundle, that's definitely the bundle you should go. Correction. If you have Costco membership, that's definitely the bundle you should pick up if you're looking to buy the drone. But yeah, guys, that's kind of what's gonna be happening today. This is gonna be a few parts series kind of. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing the drone, looking at everything you get with the Costco bundle. Then we're gonna be going in depth on a review in the next video, and we're also going to be looking more in depth at everything and how to fly, all that sort of stuff. So stay tuned. And to do that, guys, you have to subscribe, and when you subscribe, you're going to be part of the Mercy fam. Don't forget to turn on post notifications also, so that you're alerted when I make a new video. Leave a like on this video because it's a pretty interesting one. Don't forget to comment down below, what do you think about this drone? Personally, my opinions, it's pretty cute, and it packs a lot of performance for this size. Don't forget to check out my Instagram below and right here at Murciman with 2 N's at the end. There is a Discord server link down below. Join that, guys. You don't want to not.
Nope.
You really want to join that, guys, because there's a ton of stuff to do there. You can give suggestions for my videos. You're gonna be kind of part of the Mercy fam. You already know. You guys want to join that. Go join that down below. Also, guys, I just want to take a quick minute to thank our affiliate today. You already know who it is. It's Fifine microphone. Now, hold up. Let's take a second to appreciate the audio quality of this video. Okay? You gotta say the audio's on point. It sounds like ASMR. And that's because I'm using a microphone from none other than Fifine. If you can't see, kind of in the corner of the screen right here, that is a microphone from Fifine. And you'll be amazed by the price of this microphone and what audio quality it packs, guys. That's not for this video. Review is coming. Stay tuned. Again, all you gotta do is subscribe. But guys, what I want you all to do, click on the link in the description below. Go there, check out the microphones. If you click the link in the description, you guys can use my coupon code for 5% off your any purchase off their website. And the coupon code's right here, or Murciman with capital M. That's all you gotta do. Simple code. Go check it out. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, guys, so let's head on and open up this box. I'm definitely not struggling with that tape. Finally got that open. The box is a little dented out, but yeah. Got some nice DJI logoing all over it. And first thing we see while we open it up, the Mavic Mini Intelligent Flight Battery. So everything's separately boxed in this. This is a Costco bundle. So, and the next thing we have is the Mavic Mini charging base. Heads up, this is not actually produced by DJI, but yeah. And now we have the actual thing itself, the DJI Mavic Mini. So let's just get this box out of the way now. So first, let's just open up this battery box. Yeah, that's not how you open it. That kind of hurt. So I'm just gonna open it from the bottom. There's like a piece of tape there, and just ripping that open quickly. Pretty standard. We got some of that gel silica in there, and some good and secure packaging. Inside we have the box. We have some instructions about the battery, and we have the actual battery itself wrapped in some, I guess, pretty nice paper, or not paper, plastic, but you know what I mean. Opening it up, pretty basic, nothing too special, just a battery. Now let's look at the charging base. This looks pretty nice aesthetically, as you can see in a minute or two. Just slicing open the tape at the top, we open it up, and first thing we're greeted with is the instruction. And I might have kind of ripped the box while opening it. I don't know why it's like designed like that. So top thing, do not forget this cable. The actual cable's in there, so you don't want to forget that. That's pretty much everything that's in that area. And we're greeted with the main charging base wrapped in some similar type of plastic like the battery, and there's nothing else in the box. Taking it out of the plastic, we are revealing the charging base. We have two pieces of tape on the side, keeping it closed before we can access it. I will have some different videos about all of this coming in depth. This is just kind of a general unboxing. Taking off the lid, pretty basic. I'll cover this more in depth in a different video. But now let's open what we're really here for, the DJI Mavic Mini. So we got some wrap all around, just slicing it on the sides. Got grip on it, we'll just rip it right off. Not extremely satisfying, but it's appeal. Pretty high quality box. Got some labeling on the sides all over, and here's a minute of me trying to stug rail. So actually, there's a piece of tape at the bottom, and that's kind of where you open it from. Hopefully you don't struggle this much. As you can see, I'm still failing to do that. And it's kind of like a flip up box. So opening it up, we are greeted with the real thing, guys. We got the controller first. I'm gonna open that up. I like how all the products are wrapped in the same sort of plastic. I'm struggling to open a bit. Let's pull that controller out, and that feels good. It's got a little bit of heft to it. It's got a very nice grip all around. We'll get into that in a few minutes. Taking out this other box at the bottom. Inside this box we have a variety of things, ranging from a small replacement blades, replacement screws, a small screwdriver to replace blades. It also comes with the charging cable, some extra thumbsticks, and the cables to connect your phone to the controller. So now we have some instruction manuals down here, including just some basic instructions, the actual main in-depth instructions, some other warning signs. And what seems to be like a warning from certain other organizations like the CAA and stuff. But now let's pull out the real thing. Comes out right at, yeah. Got some more of that gel silica, don't eat that stuff. So we have the drone here. We're gonna take off the tape holding the blades first, flipping it over, taking off the tape holding the gimbal cover. This drone does have a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal. Unfortunately, I messed it up a bit. If you go slower, you will get that clean feel. But it's fine, it'll come off with a little bit of rubbing. Taking off the sticker on the bottom blades. By the way, all these come with QR codes on them, explaining different variety of things. And then next up, we have the unfolding process. Top legs first, then the bottom legs flip backwards out, These steps are labeled on stickers that are kept on the drone. And taking off the sticker on the battery cage, getting a grip on that, just ripping that off. Again, mess that up. Peel it slowly and you'll be fine. And we got this gorgeous design, as well as another battery inside. So this way you'll get, pretty much, when you buy the normal combo. As you guys already know, I bought the Costco bundle. And now let's look at this controller here. All you gotta do is slide gently, everything pops up, you can snap it open. Next we're gonna open up the bottom parts, and if you look, we're gonna find a cable now. So we are provided with 3 cables, a lightning cable, USB-C, and micro USB. So no matter what phone you're using, you should be covered. I'm personally gonna go for the iPhone cable because that's what I'm using. As you can see, we got USB-C and we got the micro USB. So now we're just gonna slide it down and through the back area here, and basically just plug it in into this corner. Be a little gentle, you don't want to break it. The port is a little weirdly shaped. It's a little bit of, just be careful when you're inserting it. It's not too hard to get in there. Sorry for the bad camera angles here. And so now we're gonna take out the thumbsticks. Thumbsticks are tucked in underneath. All you gotta do is like pull them out and screw them in. Very easy, very simple process. Moving that around, they're right down there. Let's put these back for now. And all you gotta do to close it is just kind of slide it back into place. The wire just stays connected there. It's a bit annoying to see that that part's always gonna hang out, but it's fine. Closing back the antennas, all you gotta do is kind of put them and slide the top antenna into the locking system, kind of like that. And now let's just look at the drone quickly, just folding it back up. That's how we fold it up. Just bottom legs come back in and fold up to its nice compact design. So now let's take a quick look at the charging base. This is a very convenient thing in my opinion. We're just gonna take the drone and basically you take this little adapter off, you put it into the micro USB port. Be careful, it is quite a strong magnet, which is pretty nice. It snaps right on there, holds on there pretty nice. All you gotta do is like put the blades in, put them nicely in, and cover the thing up. And that's kind of what it looks like. You're not supposed to do what I just did there. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I know it was a very basic and very quick video, not showing too much, because I want to save that for more in-depth reviews, you know. That's pretty much it, you know. It's a very good bundle. It's definitely worth your money, guys. And you'll see in future videos why this is probably one of the best drones you could buy right now out there. And even if you're a beginner, no matter what, this is probably definitely one of the best bets for you. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I can't say it enough. There is some fire content and some quite interesting products and videos coming on this channel pretty quick. Don't forget to go down, follow my Instagram, go join the Discord server. That's pretty much all I'm going to say for this video. As always guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Stay safe.